So welcome back for another video. Today I'd like to show you how to sharpen a pencil academically. As you can see, I have a razor blade, sandpaper and a set of pencils. In this new demonstration, I will sharpen one brand new pencil. I use paper towel to catch the graphite. We make the first cut approximately 2 to 3 centimeters or 1 inch from the end of the pencil. I hold the razor blade in my dominant hand and I use the thumb of my other hand to stabilize the blade so my cuts are controlled and precise. When I cut the layer of paint, I can cut more freely because the blade of the knife slides on wood more controlled. As you can see, I clean the edges of the pencil and reveal the lid. I've exposed the part of the lid and I continue to clean the wood all around, trying to make sure that the wooden part does not have any bumps or depressions. I have cleaned the wood and I start to sharpen the lid and do the first phase of sharpening, basically trying to shape it into the best possible tip. Sometimes happens that a small particle ball remains at the end, but it falls off during a gradual sharpening. When I see that the lid is sharp, I move on to the second phase of grinding. I have two types of sandpaper. One is rougher and another one is softer. I start sanding on the rough one and fine-tuning on the fine. In addition to sharpening, I also try to rotate the pencil like this. I'm touching the sandpaper very gently. This process should rather take longer and be of better quality. With the gentle movements, I sand the edge of the lid so the bumps become flat. After sanding, I clean the lid with paper towel. Sometimes the wooden part may get dirty from the graphite. We should avoid this because what can happen is, if you draw at sharpened angle, you can smudge the white surface on the paper with the edge of the pencil. That's why I use razor blade to clean the wooden part of the pencil. Should look like this. The lid is about 2 to 3 centimeters or 1 inch long, and the tapered wooden base provides enough support for the lid under the higher pressure. The lid sharpened in this way is now ready to begin an academic drawing. I would like to add that someone prefers more smooth tip, so in this case we probably only slightly grind the tip against the surface of the paper. You should definitely avoid outcomes like this. The lid is quite exposed and prone to break. That's what many beginners do. Well, that's the whole process of how to sharpen a pencil correctly. Thanks for your attention. If you're not already, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you at the next creative tutorial.